What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Joey, the Cool Guy 2005 here, and welcome back to another review. And today, I would like to show you guys these two new plush toys that I got from Five Below today. That's right, you guys. These are the Rick and Morty plush toys. Yeah. And if you guys don't know what the show Rick and Morty is, let me explain this to you guys. Rick and Morty is a TV show that airs on Adult Swim. And it's another one of my favorite adult cartoon TV shows, along with The Simpsons, Family Guy, South Park, and Bob's Burgers, as well as Futurama. Yeah. And the characters for Rick and Morty that I have in front of me are, of course, Rick, Sanchez, and Morty Smith. These two are the main characters. Yeah. Rick and Morty are the two main characters. Yeah. So without further ado, let's get this review started. First, let's take a look at Rick. Sorry about the stuttering. So anyways, like I said, let's take a look at Rick first. Alright, so here's Rick Sanchez. As you guys can see, he looks really awesome. And he's one of my favorite characters from the show. And he's really soft. And I even love his white coat he's wearing. And here's the tag. It says Rick and Morty. And it's from Jazzwares. And it's on Adult Swim. And it's made by Warner Brothers as well. And here's the tush tag, which says Rick and Morty Adult Swim. Yeah. Rick is the grandfather to Morty. And he looks really cool. And he's my first favorite character from the show. Well, my second favorite character is Morty. Yeah. These two are my favorite characters. Yeah. And you love his hair. His hair. It looks really awesome. And he's really soft, too. Yeah. Alright, so here's Rick Sanchez. Sorry. Yeah, that's how I pronounce it. So, like I said, here's Rick Sanchez. Let's put him down. And second to last, let's take a look at Morty. Alright, so here's Morty Smith. Man, I love Morty. He's my second favorite character right here. Yeah. And he looks really cool. Look at his face. He looks scared. While for Rick, he's like smiling. And he's drooling. Which is really funny. Yeah. Oh, I also forgot to mention that I even like his unibrow, which is cool. Anyways, for Morty, as you can see, he's wearing a yellow shirt with blue pants and white shoes. While for Rick, like I said, he's wearing a like I said before, he's wearing a white lab coat with a blue shirt and with a light blue shirt, a belt, pants, brown pants, and black shoes. Yeah. Yeah, Morty Smith is the grandson to Rick Sanchez. Yep, he looks really cool and awesome. And here's the tag, just like Rick's. Morty also has his tag. Yeah. His same just tush tag. Yeah. There's nothing else going on about Rick. Rick and Morty. Morty. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, there's nothing else going on about Morty. Alright, so here's Morty Smith, my second favorite character from the TV show. Let's put him down. Alright, so this is it for this. Anyways, this is it for this video. My Rick and Morty plush toys review. And I can't wait to add these to my plush collection. Yeah, I've been collecting plush toys since when I was a little kid. Yeah. And I love playing with them too. Well, my mom says it doesn't matter how old I am, but that's my choice. Like playing with it doesn't matter how old I am with plush toys, like stuffed animals. But that's my choice. But my mom says that's my choice. Yeah. I like to sleep with them and play with them too. And I don't take stuffed animals to school anymore because I am way too old for that. Yeah. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. And remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Please share your friends and your family around you. And let me know in the comments if you guys love watching Rick and Morty. Or if you guys have any of these Rick and Morty toys in your collection. So thank you guys. So like I said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful afternoon. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. So, goodbye everyone. And peace out.